Welcome to Pour Play TV, where we take our drinks seriously, ourselves, not so much. Today I'm going to be popping open Knob Creek 12. Great whiskey made by Jim Beam. I really love the Knob Creek 9s, especially the store picks, probably my favorite. I really love the wax seal on these. It's nice and easy to peel off. All right, let's listen for the pop. Oh, that's a good one. Oh yeah, the color is a lot darker than what you'd see on the Knob Creek 9s, even the barrel picks that are almost 10 years. Wonderful nose, a lot oakier, a lot more vanilla. It's picking up a little salinity, minerality, nuttiness that you'd usually get from a Jim Beam. Oh, that's a good whiskey. You get a lot of the nuttiness, a lot of caramel, a nice Kentucky hug going down. It's a great whiskey. Like, subscribe, stay thirsty.